screenshots of Twitter. That's every post. That's boring.
Oh yeah, no, I mean, you can't just do that. You have to do other things.
So I don't mind if people post memes and all that stuff. That's fine. But just, and I even said, hey man, that's kind of boring.
One guy that I say half the memes I put in a newsletter come from work. Yeah,
well, that's fine. But if I make a comment, remember, I have God power.
And smell.
I have a musk. So if I say, hey man, don't do that, you're like, you're triggered by this. You gotta get limited right there and there. I'm not getting mad anymore. I'm just like, let me just teach you one lesson.
It's about time.
I'm quick to reinstate too, though. But I just like, no, I'm just gonna put you in the corner here. Just put you in the corner. This is not democracy. You don't get to determine what we're doing here. That's me and John. If John just kicks up.